Welcome. In this video I will show you what's new in Spotlight in macOS 27 beta. First of all, we have to open the Apple menu in the top left corner, then go to System Settings, go to Siri, and make sure that we have this feature enabled. Make sure that your Siri is using the Siri beta, which includes Apple Intelligence and all the features that I will display in this video. Now once it's enabled, you also have to make sure that the Siri language matches your system one, which in most cases will be true, but sometimes you have to check it twice. And now to use all of these features, we have to simply use Command Spacebar to open the Spotlight, and then we can use the Spotlight not only to search through the browser or through the files or through the settings, but we can also use our Siri directly from here. To do that, you have to enter something until you get the Siri suggestion, and then press enter to run the query to Siri and to let it perform some AI task for you. For example, we can enter photo of sunflower, then press enter and then wait until Siri gives us some results with sunflower photos, and then we can continue conversation with Siri right from here. And this way we can perform many different tasks using AI help from Siri. In case it can provide us with them. But yeah, for now this is a work in progress tool, and therefore we cannot fully see it in action, but yeah, that's practically the only new feature introduced into the Spotlight in macOS 27. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.